In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to use bay leaf oil. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. I upload 3 times a week, and every single Friday is a pick a card reading. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about bay leaf oil. I'm going to share with you guys 5 ways that you can use bay leaf oil every day to manifest and attract things into your life. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to let you know that in order to make bay leaf oil, all you need is a carrier oil, which is like olive oil, coconut oil, almond, grapeseed, one of those kinds of oils, and then you're just going to need bay leaves. In mine, I have crushed bay leaves, I have powdered bay leaves, and then I have whole bay leaves. So what I want to do is get the essence in there, from the powder to the crushed ones, to really get that bay leaf aroma in there, the properties, the energy really infused into the oil. And I let it sit for about a week or 2. I am selling some of my bay leaf oils in my Etsy store. If you guys are interested in purchasing, you can head over there, but it's pretty easy to make yourself at home. Mines are always charged under the energy of the full moon. Okay, let's get started on what you can do with bay leaf oil, because bay leaves are very, very powerful. They help you attract, they help you manifest. They bring good luck and good fortune. They get rid of negative energy. They're very protective, and they just carry a very, very high vibration, especially for manifesting. So number 1, the first thing you could do with bay leaf oil is to rub a little bit on all 4 corners of your bed. So when we go to sleep, we're unconscious. We don't know what kinds of energies can come through, where our souls and our spirits can go. So we want to make sure to protect ourselves when we're sleeping. And I find that when you rub bay leaf oil on 4 corners of your bed, it's like you're creating a barrier. And when you sleep, you're safe and you're protected and you're shielded. Not only that, but it also wards off nightmares. So if you suffer from nightmares, this is a really, really good way to stop them. The second way you could use bay leaf oil is to buy yourself a candle. This one here is from the dollar store. It's really good, actually, you guys. This is in Harvest Spiced Pumpkin. It smells really good. For $1, you get a lot of candle wax in there too. So I got a bunch of these from the dollar store. What I like to do is I never just light a candle just as it is. I always like to put an intention into my candles. Even if I just put a little bit of cinnamon or a little bit of just anything to just attract some kind of a good energy. So you could actually put a few drops of your bay leaf oil in your candle. What this does is it invites fortune and it invites luck and good energy. It raises the vibration. It's actually very, very powerful to do it that way, and you could just do it on any candle. Scented candles, non-scented candles, dollar store candles, whatever you have laying around. Just add a little bit of oil and it just becomes magical. The third way you could use bay leaf oil is on your cash, your wallet, your purse, your credit cards, your debit cards. So what I'm going to show you guys is basically what you want to do is take a little bit of your oil on your fingers, and then you just want to take some cash and kind of rub it on your cash and keep this in your wallet. What this does is it increases the vibration of money in your wallet and in your life, protects your money energy in your life, and just overall is good luck to bring money your way. So that's all. I'll just anoint my money like that, and then I will rub some on my wallet and my purses. The fourth way you could use bay leaf oil is to rub it on yourself. And this is something I really like to do because it's really fun, the kinds of things you see happening throughout the day. So I'll just take a little tiny bit and I'll rub it and put it on my wrists, and I'll just rub that in really, really quickly. It's super fast and you'll feel it. Like, you'll see and notice a lot of changes throughout the day. People look at you differently. If you guys hear something, my cat is fidgeting in the back, so I'm sorry about that. But it is super cold outside and they are bored inside. So that's what you're going to be hearing in the back. But you're going to notice a lot of, like, if you go out shopping, you might find like really unique discounts. A lot of synchronicity happens. It's really, really good to just anoint yourself and go out and go on about your day. It attracts attention in a good way, and it also, if you have an interview or you're going gambling or you're going to like a presentation where you're speaking, anything like that, a meeting, whatever, rub a little bit on yourself for good luck and like things going in your favor. And the fifth way you could use bay leaf oil is on your vision boards, your scripting, your journals, your papers that you write your goals and intentions on, because it amplifies the energy. So I always use a scripting book, and I just cut out pictures, I write everything down, whatever I feel like doing, I do it in a book, and I use that as my vision board. So what I like to do is rub some bay leaf oil around the edges of my book or the paper, and then I'll start writing, because what this does is it amplifies your intention, protects your intention, and just raises the vibration of everything that's in here. And if there's blockages, if there's obstacles, it kind of just helps push those away. It's very, very powerful for using it like that. And so I wanted to share these with you guys. I wanted to share a quick little video with you guys of how to use bay leaf oil. Now, if you guys are interested in buying mine, I do have a few up in my store, but if not, you can make it at home. It's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.